Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a makeup look, and if you guys are wondering why I've been so consistent with my uploads, enjoy it while you can because I'm on break. No, but literally, you guys, if you have any recommendations of videos you guys want to see, definitely let me know. All right, so today's a really cool video because I'm gonna show you guys how to wear lashes without actual eyeliner, and this is gonna be really nice. This is gonna be really nice for the people who have always wanted to wear lashes, but the glue is hard to work with. Because I know some people, like, it's either too it's too wet, so it slips around and stuff. This is your solution, okay? I know the holidays are over, but I really recommend, like, I really recommend these. So I'm gonna show you guys what this is. So this is by Viciley Cosmetics. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And it's a kit. First of all, we love that. And I'm gonna tell you guys what comes inside. It comes with a magic eyeliner, eyelashes, and a mascara. So it's a kit, an all-in-one kit to get perfect lashes. I love the red. I'm trying to show you guys it without the glare, but I'm at the window because I want, okay, that's perfect. So without the red, so this is your eyeliner. This is the mascara, and in here you have 3 pairs of lashes, which is so awesome. They don't send you one, they send you 3. They have different styles depending on what you're into. They have dramatic styles, they have the more natural ones, so they have something for everyone. And of course, these tweezers, which these are actually really nice tweezers. I've gotten like eyelash kits before, and the tweezers are not like this. These ones are good. We have this eyelash right here, and then we have this one, and then you just gotta unscrew this. Ooh, ooh. And then you have these ones right here. So they send you a total of 3 pairs of lashes. As you guys can tell from these lashes, they are not no cheap looking lashes. These are super cute, and they're really lightweight as well, which I really like. And I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. So this is what the lashes look like, and as you guys can see, the band is not thick. It won't make your eyelids feel heavy. It makes the band more flexible, so it's easier to work with, you know what I mean? I really couldn't find the small scissors, so we brought these out. Oh, and if you guys choose, you can also double up the lashes. I'm not going to personally. I'm gonna do more of like an everyday look with this right now. Boy! So this is the magic eyeliner, as you guys can see. Honestly, I'm just so in love with this color scheme of red and black. And you guys, you get a lot of products in here. I just took it out. Okay, so when using the eyeliner, you want to first shake it well. And the cool thing about this is, if you're wondering how do you get your eyelashes to get stuck on pretty much without glue, well, it's all based on what's in the ingredients. And once you shake it, you guys can actually see the eyeliner. So yeah, they're very open about the ingredients they use, and this is actually really good for people who are sensitive to using eyelash glue and stuff, because I know a lot of people like that. I have friends that are sensitive to eyelash glues. This is the best thing ever for that. And another thing is they last a long time. So just because it's not like real glue does not necessarily mean it won't last a long time. And this is not to be confused with magnetic lashes. This is not a magnetic lash. And I'm applying it. And when you apply it, it applies just like any felt tip eyeliner. The consistency of it is of a felt tip eyeliner. So if you want, you can actually do wings and stuff. And another nice thing about this is you don't have to worry about working fast with it, because you apply the lashes once the eyeliner is dry. So yeah, what I really like about it is the consistency of the eyeliner isn't no weird clumping or anything like that. Now I'm going to take, I want to use the tweezers because I want to feel a little bit special. I do want to use the mascara. So I'm gonna take this mascara right here. Now the mascara, it's not a part of the magic eyeliner or anything, so you don't have to. But holy crap, look at that mascara though. Like, she gets in. Actually really like the wand. This isn't just like some crappy mascara that they put into a lash kit. A lot of people do that. This is actually a good mascara. Did y'all see that? That's all. And that is it. Your eyelash is like secured even from the inner, like from the inner eye, as long as you make sure you remember to put the eyeliner. Because remember, the eyeliner is the thing that's doing all the adhesive. Also, excuse my eyebrows, I need to pluck them. When you do your lashes, you have to wait for the glue to get tacky and stuff. This one, you kind of just, you can just pop it on as soon as you're done with your eyeliner. But at the same time, you're not like rushed to finish. But do you guys see how fast I put those like the eyelash on? It's so easy. Oh shoot, I forgot to do mascara. So I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna just do mascara right now. I hate doing that, but because I didn't apply mascara first, I'm gonna do a little bit only. And I'm only gonna focus it on the bottom. Cool. But see, even when I did my mascara, like it did not budge the actual like eyelash at all. This is actually super cute. I just really like the eyelash style. It's very simple and cute. And like I said, if you want, you can stack them up. Just make sure that, you know, there's eyeliner where you want to stack them up. Forgot to mention the most important thing. This is weatherproof, windproof, rainproof. So it doesn't matter if there's a hurricane hitting and a tornado coming your way. These lashes will stay on. But definitely check them in the description. I will literally put them there. If I have a discount code or anything like that, I will leave it down below as well. Because gosh, and also these lashes are reusable, so you don't have to just, you know, use these lashes only once and then throw them out. You can use them multiple times. I'm probably gonna wear, personally, I am able to wear these lashes for probably a couple of months straight, and I know that might sound crazy to some people, but I do take really good care of my lashes. And also based on the quality of these lashes, they're not the ones that like break apart, if that makes sense. So I really like that about them. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. I already moisturized before this video, so I'm just gonna do some concealer. This is just my everyday makeup look, so we're keeping it simple. Anyways, I just want to say happy holidays to everyone. I hope you guys are all having a great, amazing holiday. Yeah, and 2020 better be acting right, because I don't have that time anymore. Okay, just kidding, but no, for real. Hopefully it's a good year for all of us. Do you guys remember when we said the same thing about 2019? And look what happened. Oh, wow, this is honestly, this should have just been the 5-minute makeup challenge look, because I literally did my makeup in like 5 minutes. Okay, so now we need a blush. I told you guys this is gonna be a really quick everyday makeup look. This is literally my everyday look. I'm taking the MAC blush because I always forget. She's okay, don't worry. I always get questions on the blush I use. I always use the MAC blush, this one right here, or the other one that I have by note. But yeah, those are my two go-to blushes. And this is the blush in Hush Tone, just to let you know. I'm gonna add a little bit of here, a little bit of there. This is cute. This is a look. All right, finally I'm gonna do my go-to matte 7D from Maybelline, and that is going to be what? But yeah, that is literally my go-to everyday makeup look. The fastest way to get ready, not even kidding. This is the fastest I've ever gone ready. and I absolutely love it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I will link this eyelash kit down in the description. Like I said, I totally recommend it. The way it performs speaks for itself. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.